then you had a man. And I know we
sir.
did you wrong, but that shit made you strong.
Come tell them, bro.
We get along just perfect. And I hope that you don't care about what all them people say. And I know about all them bitches that's trying to pull you away. They feeding you with lies, they hate to see us vibe. But when it's time to ride, I'm gonna need you by my side.
I don't know
how to love.
We'll so you let's go 1,000
Listen to this guy,
miles
just listen to this guy.
with you, yeah, it's true, cause you
so good
the
also.
one I choose. With you I can be myself, I don't need nobody else. With you, yeah,
Oh, this guy is so calm, so calm and just feeling.
School love, girl, I feel like I'm in love again. Old school love, I'm in love again.
They're all the singers. They're all the singers. This is like a group song. Hello, Meghalaya, Shillong, Khasi people, lovely people. Welcome back again. Your African boy here. Yes, sir. Welcome, madam.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Hello everyone, my name is Subi and I'm from Nepal.
And today we are checking old school love, where you will never find it anywhere again. Is there something like old school love? Nothing like
For
old
some
school
people,
love. Huh?
for some people, not for all.
Which one you like it? Old school love or the new school love now?
Old school love.
I think old school love is the love that you will never forget in your life.
It's
No,
like,
no one will forget the old school love. Old school love is like just like
old
memory
school
forever.
love is like
For you,
true
if this
true love, not like these generations, like old one, past generation.
but it depends on your experience, right? So today we are checking old school love. People suggested these guys. Feed Eddie Lyngdoh. This guy is so good. His sound is so amazing. So you will check him out. We have Jay Priest. Let's do it, guys. Make sure to subscribe and do it for her. She's from Nepal. She's today.
I'm your neighbor.
She's your neighbor only.
Yes.
And me, I'm so far from you. Like I came from another continent, that is Africa, just to come and listen and to react to Khasi people. Why will you not subscribe? Then shame on you if you won't do it. Subscribe, guys. Put on the bell. Let's do it.
Oui.
Yes, sir. Old school love.
Pani puri. I want to eat it
Actually,
now.
this music is all in English. Like,
Let's go to eat pani puri now.
yes, we're going.
Baby, you the kind of drug that I can get enough. You erase my pain away and got me feeling numb. Can nobody make me feel the way you make me feel? And I'll be literally damn if this ain't really love. It's that old school love. Girl, I feel like I'm in love again. Old school love. I'm in love again.
Actually, guys, when they suggested this song, and I was so curious, I checked about it, and when I was just checking, I watched it from the beginning up to end because, like, I love it for real, guys. This is so amazing, and believe me, you're going to like it. Just let's check more. Start.
Old school love. Girl, I feel like I'm in love again. Old school love. I'm in love again.
Shorty like, ooh, girl, you got me swerving. I remember all them times, baby, you was hurting. And then I pulled you close, told you we can work it. You don't gotta worry, I
so
swear
that
it's
we
gonna
can
be
work
worth
it.
it.
Yeah.
First day, girl, I met
Those
you
guys,
on the
they're
gram.
bodies,
I think it'd be
man.
important, cause back then you had a man. And I know
Yes,
we
sir.
did you wrong, but that
Boy,
shit made you strong.
come
And
tell
I know
them,
we
bro.
get along just perfect. And I hope that you don't care about what all them people say. And I
Hope
know
you
about
don't
all them
care
bitches
about
that's
the
trying to
people
pull you
that say.
away. They feeding you with lies, they hate to see us vibe. But when it's time to ride, I'm gonna need you by my side.
Strawberry
I don't know
Ah,
how
listen
to
to this
love.
guy.
We'll
So
eat
you let's go
everything
1,000
Listen to
miles
this guy. Just
above.
listen to this guy.
With you, yeah, it's true, cause you
so
the
good also.
one I choose. With you I can be myself, I don't need nobody else. With you, yeah,
Oh, this guy is so calm. So calm and just feeling.
School love. Girl, I feel like I'm in love again. Old school
Is he the singer
love.
too?
I'm in love again.
They're all the singers. They're all the singers. This is like a group song.
Girl, I feel like
Just
I'm
kidding,
in love
man.
again. Old love so serene, the fulfillment of my dreams.
There is one guy who
Every
is
time
singing
I
only
look
in
at
Khasi.
you, you got me feeling weak. I fall them girls.
The next person will sing in Khasi.
Cause you heal me,
This
girl,
one we
when
have
I
it
was
also in
bruising.
Africa.
I will never ever
Okay.
get enough. Ever since you came, I got all the love. Yeah, I believe you are who sent from above.
Yes,
God
yes.
of the third of me, just like a flood. It's that old school love.
This guy.
Nan balaban
His sound is so good, but he's singing. This is Eddie Lyngdoh. Sound is so good, but he's singing in Khasi. Kian Chunga.
Baby, you got everything that I want. Kula benda nambati, hapandasti.
Wow. This is so nice, guys. This is so nice. This is so nice. I feel like this is one of my favorite Khasi song, guys. This is one of the favorite best Khasi song ever. I believe you like it.
Oh, this place looks
Wow.
amazing.
This is amazing. You
I
know,
think this is golf.
you know-
Yes.
and you know, I don't know how to rate those guys, but believe me, even though Eddie Lyngdoh, this guy who sang in Khasi, is actually among the top singers in Meghalaya. And I'm pretty sure if he was singing in English, we'll also love it. Like, though most of them they sang in English, guys. They were the verse, the lyric, like the verse was so good, guys, so amazing. I just love it, the way they expressing with the beat. Wow, I'm just speechless, guys. I just want to react to those guys. Suggest for me those guys if they have similar song like this, guys, with English. I wasn't imagining that I will find the Khasi people like singing this way, guys. Wow, guys, you guys are so talented. I love it. Just tell what do you think about that? Huh? What do you think, man? Are you speechless?
Yes, I'm speechless.
She's so speechless, guys. It's really amazing. This is all school love, and I just love how meaningful is the song. Wow, all school love. They just made me to remember my old school life, man. Amazing, guys. Thank you so much. Suggest more videos like this. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now from Africa, Nepal. Share, subscribe, guys.